If you've been feeling mentally overstimulated and craving a deeper connection to your inner voice, Mercury entering Cancer provides the sanctuary your nervous system needs. Hey there, this is Jojo from 7 Plane Healings and Astrological.com with your Astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And in this episode, we're exploring Mercury entering Cancer on the 1st of June at 9:56 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And we're moving out of the rapid air of Gemini and into a more fluid, protective, watery mental space. And I'm going to show you how these frequencies are shaping your inner world right now. But before we dive in, just a quick note that if you want to work with planetary tuning fork frequencies, I've been creating tuning fork packages with your own personal tune-up and a 20-plus page astrological report, as well as the attune coherence frequency energy imprinted pendants that many of you have been asking about. So if that resonates with you, you'll find out that you find the links in the description below. And in this episode, you'll discover what these transits mean for your energy and emotional landscape. And we'll look at how to work with the cosmic flow instead of against it. And then we'll drop into a planetary tuning fork sound bath, which is designed to harmonize you with Mercury's frequencies in the sign of Cancer. So settle in. This one is cerebral, nurturing, and fluid. And we'll look at the astro breakdown. So as Mercury crosses the threshold into Cancer, our system begins to seek a more nurturing way of processing information. So it's no longer just about the data, but it's more about how the data feels in the body. So the objective of this sound session is to create a vibrational container where your thoughts can safely settle into your heart. We have Mercury square Neptune, Saturn, Pallas Athena, and Vesta. And this aspect brings a sense of expansive tension. So with Neptune involved in the cluster with Saturn and the asteroids, you might feel a foggy pressure at the crown and at the upper chakras. And it can manifest as an electric static that challenges your sense of structure. And the frequencies that we're using act as a bridge, so clearing the mental mist. And it allows for a grounded, ethereal clarity in your biofield. You also have Mercury sextile in Chiron. And this is a luminous frequency that targets the heart field. It feels like a softening of the inner sanctuary. And as these two planets communicate, the sound recalibrates your system, allowing for your integration of vulnerable insights with a rhythmic and steadying presence. We also have Mercury in a semi-sextile with Uranus and Ceres. This creates a bridge of rapid yet weighted stability between your energy centers. The frequency sparks the crown and third eye chakras while simultaneously anchoring into the root chakra at the base of your system. So it feels like a shimmering silver thread of innovation being grounded into a primal hum of safety. So it's ensuring your rapid insights have a clear and functional place to land within your energy field. We have Mercury in an inconjunct with Pluto and with Juno. This creates a deep resonance within the aura. It's a transformative squeeze that asks your subconscious to align with your current path. And then the frequencies that we use helps shift the static into coherence. It's allowing you to stand in your truth without the weight of the old mental patterns. So let's align with these frequencies. I invite you to join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Let's take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath. Just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And today's affirmation is, I breathe into the insightful flow, steadying my heart as I expand. I breathe into the insightful flow, steadying my heart as I expand. Just take a moment to allow these planetary energies to integrate, feeling balance and harmony within. If you'd like your own personal astrological tune-up, just have a look at the packages available on my website at astrojo.com. At the moment I have 3 packages up there for your solar return, your natal chart, and current transits that you may want to tune up, balance, align, anything that may be difficult. And you also get a personal astrological sound bath like this. With your astro breakdown, you'll get a video only version and an audio version, so you can listen on repeat if you want during a meditation, when you want a quick tune up. And also a guide plus a 90-day integration checklist, and Astrosonics resonance summary, and a manual, which is the full time passages report. So it's a deep dive into your natal blueprint or your solar return or the transits. It's just depending on the package you choose. And a custom astrological chart image. And if you're curious about the Attune Coherence Bioresonance Jewelry, this is one of them. I have them in 3 different colors. They're designed to anchor your nervous system and shield your biofield from the modern environmental stress. So it features a hand-wound copper bifilar coil in the style of Nikola Tesla, cut to the length of the sacred cubit and imprinted with supportive frequencies using a Rife machine and scalar field technologies. And you can find out more at seventhplanehealings.com. And it also comes personally charged with a theta healing energy download. And thank you for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. You can check out Spotify if you prefer to listen that way. I do have a channel over there now. And let's tune into the universe together.